Good morning, children. Today we are going to do some questions which are based on logarithmic differentiation. Since it is very important topic for your board exam, that's why we are bound to do maximum number of questions based on logarithmic differentiation as well as parametric. Since these two topics on differentiation, it is very important for our exams. So here, to explain this, I am going to take a question of your book, that is differentiate x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x with respect to x. So first of all, we have to know the algorithm, how we are able to differentiate. So your algorithm is, that is, we take the given function as y. This is the given function and it is taken y. We wish to get dy by dx, but if we try to differentiate it, so there is no way to use direct formulas since it is function of functions. That's why somewhere we want to change it is as a product of functions, since we are having the rule for that. So that work can be done with the help of logarithm. So somewhere we wish to use logarithm, but at this stage don't use logarithm, since in left side we get log y, but for right side there is no property for this type of function. It means in case of plus of two or more functions, logarithmic property is not there. So that's why we first take it as u and it is v, then we try to get du by dx and dv by dx, and when we combine, then we are able to get dy by dx. So this is about the process. Now we take also let u equal to x to the power sin x and v is equal to sin x cos x. With this substitution, our function become u plus v. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now our solution based on the way to get du by dx and dv by dx and combining them. So let's start from that stage. So we are having u is equal to x power sin x, taking log of both sides. We get log of u log of x power sin x. As you know, log of m power n equal to n into log m, so we get it is equal to sin x, this index comes outside, and log of the base. It means it converted as a product of two functions, and by using product formula we are able to get the derivative. Again differentiating with respect to x. Just differentiate. It comes as 1 by u and du by dx is equal to, now that is function number 1 into the derivative of function number 2 plus function number 2 into the derivative of function number 1. So it implies du by dx is equal to, when we cross multiply, then here we get u, so it is u, and that is sin x by x plus cos x log x, and when we put the value of u, then we get du by dx is equal to, what is u? U is x power sin x x cos x log x, and it is equation number 2. Similarly, we start from v. V is equal to sin x power cos x, taking log, we get log of v is equal to log of sin x whole power cos x. By the property of logarithm, we get log of v equal to index comes out and the log with base. Make it bracket. Now differentiating both the sides with respect to x, we get left side as 1 by v dv by dx is equal to function number 1 into derivative of function number 2. So we move from left to right. Your function number 2 is log sin x and its previous function is that is log. So use the formula for log. Log of sin x, that is 1 by sin x. Now just remove log and differentiate the next function. If formula supports it, then it is last step. So derivative of that is sin x is cos x. It implies dv by dx is equal to cross multiply, then v, this is sin x whole power cos x, then into one more step, that is plus. When we use that is log sin x, fix here log of sin x. What is the derivative of cos x? It is minus sin x. So we get that is cos square x by sin x, plus into minus minus, it is sin x and log of sin x. Actually make it equation number 3. Okay, so this is cos of cos square x into what? That is sin x, and it is minus sin and it is log x. This is about the derivative and it is okay. Just put the values of du by dx and dv by dx from equation 2 and 3 in 1. So we get dy by dx, or we write using equation 2 and 3 in 1. What? We wish to use equation number 2 and equation number 3 in equation number 1. So to get dy by dx is equal to, it is x power sin x whole into sin x divided by x plus cos x into log x, plus next is sin x power cos x whole into cos square x by sin x, then minus sin x log of sin x. This is about the derivative of the given function. Now let's take some different questions, but they are also important for your board exam. So here I am going to take other question that is very common question. If y power x plus x power y plus x power x is equal to a to the power p, then find. That is again dy by dx. Now we start solution, that is we have y power x plus x power y plus x power x is equal to, either you take u, v, w in starting or after that. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get what we get, that is the derivative of y power x plus the derivative of x power y plus the derivative of x power x is equal to, a is constant, b is also constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Now one by one we are required to put the values of the derivative of this function. So we to get derivative of y power x is, that is very simple, let u is equal to y power x. Then we write, that is taking log, we get log of u equal to log of y power x. It implies log of u is equal to x, then log y. Now differentiating with respect to x. What we get? 1 by u du by dx is equal to, that is function number 1 into derivative of function number 2 y by dx, then plus function number 2 into derivative of function number 1. It implies du by dx is equal to u. What is u? That is y power x. So it is u into x by y dy by dx plus log y, and when we put the value of u, then we write here y power x by dx equal to y power x by y dy by dx plus log y. Make it equation number 2. Again, v is equal to x power y implies log of v equal to y log x. It implies, or that is differentiating both the sides. What? Differentiating both sides with respect to x. What we get? 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, that is function number 1 into derivative of function number 2. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus function number 2 into derivative of function number 1, that comes as dy by dx. It implies dv by dx is equal to v into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. What is v? V is x power y is equal to x power y by x plus log of x dy by dx. So very simply we get the derivative of secant function. Last one is, just take w equal to x power x. It implies log of w equal to log of x to the power x. Taking log of both the sides, it implies log of w equal to x and log of base. By the property of logarithm, differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by w, then dw by dx is equal to function number 1 into derivative of function number 2. Function number 2 into derivative of function number 1. So here it implies dw by dx, it is equal to w into 1 plus log x, and it implies d. What is w? X power x by dx equal to x power x 1 plus log x. Make it equation number 4. Which equation? That is 4. Now, to get the value of dy by dx, we are required to use the values obtained in 2, 3, 4 in equation number 1. So, right, using equation 2, 3 and 4 in 1, we get, what we get? Use the value, that is first one is y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. Okay. Second one is plus x power y whole into y by x plus log of x dy by dx. Third one is x power x whole into, that is small bracket 1 plus log x, and it is equal to 0. To get the value of dy by dx, we are required to collect the coefficient of dy by dx in left hand side. So first of all multiply it. It is x into y power x minus 1 dy by dx plus y power x log y, then it is plus x power, it is y minus 1 into y plus x power y log x dy by dx plus x power x plus x power x log x equal to 0. When we collect the values of that is coefficient of dy by dx, so from here we get x y power x minus 1 plus from here we get x power y log x. When we transpose all other terms here, then we get that is first one is this is y power x log y, and it is plus, since minus is here, x power y minus 1 into y, then plus it is x power y minus 1 x power x, and it is plus x power x then log x. Now it implies dy by dx is equal to minus, that is y power x log x log y plus x power y minus 1 into y, then it is plus x power x plus x power x log x whole divided by, that is x y power x minus 1 plus x power y log x. This is about dy by dx. Okay.